First, we have created an HTML and HTML end. We have to use this in our every HTML web page creation. So how we will create? First, we will create a simple page and we will display a message. Click here to display information, and then we will create the hyperlink in the click here. So we'll put a hyperlink in our document, and when you go to google.com or any other searching website, when you click on a link, it turns into blue. That links are called hyperlinks. So how to put a hyperlink? First, what we will do, we have to use the anchor tags. So when you have to display text or content within an HTML document, we have to use an anchor tag so that we can display the data of another HTML document. So what we will do, we will refer a file. So there are two types of anchor tag addresses. First is the absolute and second is the relative address. So what is relative address? Relative address when the calling file and the parent file are in the same folder. So I will show you what we will do. First, as usual, we have to write the body because this is a compulsory part, and then we will use the anchor tag. So the anchor tag start from A and we have to use the href, referring. So we are referring to is equal to, we have to specify the name of the file. We have not created any file, but we will name the file first .html. So when we click on the click here button, the first .html will be called. So now we will close this. And what should be displayed? So you have seen the click here is shown, so you can write anything for that. So we will write click here, and then we will close our anchor tag. And now you can see we have created a link which will be named click here, and it will call the first .html file. Now we will close the body. So you can close the body by /body. And now we will save the file and close this. And now we will create another file because we have to call a file called first.html. So write first, and in this what we will write, we will just write some simple information. For example, we will start our HTML and close our HTML. Then in the body section we will use any heading tag. We will use the paragraph tag, and we will write this is the web page. And now we will close our paragraph tag. Then we will close our body tag, and then we will save this file. Now we have to rename both this file as .html because the .txt extension will not run on the browser. So .html. You can see the Chrome HTML document, the type changed. Now we have to do the same thing for the first.txt, and now we will change the txt to html. So now you can see both this file turned into HTML document. Now we will first click on the example document, and you can see there is nothing because we have written actually nothing, and we will view the page source. You can see we have written nothing in our coding, so only click here is shown. You can see this click here and it's a blue color. So when we click this, it will open the second document, which is the first.html. So this was the content of the first.html, you can see in the title. So this is how you can put a hyperlink in your web page.